What do you think makes a PnP machine stable? Frame rigidity is essential for ensuring smooth motion and suppressing vibration. Therefore, we always prioritize the use of precision CNC machine components. This is done to ensure the frame structure is exceptionally solid and stable. You can observe that every component features high precision locating edges for perfect alignment. This facilitates a very simple assembly and alignment process. Once placed in their precise positions, everything aligns perfectly. This represents our core design philosophy. Even for the smallest details, we remain focused on machining and assembly precision. It may be a minor detail, but it plays a significant role. It also features positioning ridges that make assembly much easier. Just position, tighten, and you're done. This is how we differentiate AFARCO from other products.